Last week on 3 Themes at 3, we were falling in love with all things fall. We saw fantastic autumn photos from all over the country, and we were head over heels for all those great projects to dress up your home.
They really are great. We show you how to make 2 different pillows, a chenille pumpkin, and an amazing quilt. I'm biased, I know, but I really love that autumn toss pillow.
Oh, it was so cute. 3 Themes at 3 is a unique lifestyle show that you aren't going to want to miss. We learn how to make amazing themes. We celebrate life and everyone in our community because you belong here.
So be sure to watch 3 at 3 Live every Monday through Thursday at 3 p.m. Mountain Time, or watch it on demand on Facebook or YouTube by clicking the links below.
Come learn and have some fun with us on 3 Themes at 3, where we always have something to make you smile.
Maybe. Something to learn.
And something to discover.
Let's go.